Christmas in July. I just bought this mini split system. I had it delivered to the door. It came in 3 separate shipments, and I will show you piece by piece what I got. Obviously, that's the outdoor unit, the condenser, and that'll be the air handler for the inside, the middle one right there, which would be the evaporator coil and thermostat housing, whatever you want to call it, and then the line set, and then mystery box, which has a bunch of different things in it, and that should be the that right there should be the disconnect box. Alright, it's unpackaging time. So what we're going to do is open this box. Yes, this is from that place. I don't usually shop there. Sometimes you have to. This was cheaper at the time, but I found cheaper ones. But this one came faster. So what we have here is the disconnect box, which is going to go outside. Off. On. Okay, so put this to the side. Now we go in this box. Oh yes, a box inside of a box. So what we have is the, what do they call it, the line hide or something like that. All this stuff I'll have links either in my description or in the comment section, and I'll also share my link tree. Now if it's like 20 years from now, 10, 20 years from now, I don't know if Linktree will be around. We shall see. So obviously this is to hide the lines. Here's the housing. So let's put this back up. I just made a mess. We'll just put this on the table and let the wife deal with it. How's that sound? Alright, what we got here, huh? It's a nice big one. That's what she said. I believe this is our cables. Yes. These are our lines. Insulated lines. With the condensation tube. Wrap, some kind of grommet, condensation connector, and plastic putty. As I said before, this is my first time installing one of these, and I got quite a few to do. So this is plugged already. So I was watching a couple other videos on this. You're not supposed to trim these because they, unless you're a professional and you know how much lead outer put in. So you're not supposed to trim these because they put just enough in the system to compensate for all this line. So you're supposed to tuck it away neatly. What I've seen some people do in videos is put it behind the condenser if there's room, or the unit, the outside unit, but we're going to figure that part out together. So let's get this out of the way. Alright, the air handler. It's the inside unit. Uh-oh, let's adjust you first. There you go. Can't zoom out anymore. Let's put you higher. So they gave us a template. So this goes up on the wall. So they gave us a template. This goes up on the wall. Tells you right where to drill the hole, where to drill your holes. This thing will come in very handy. Don't throw that away. And there's some people out there, cowboys, and like to fly through it and get it done. But they throw something simple like that and they'll throw the whole project off. So, I'm going to pull this out. Now we have the power wire that goes to the machine, outside and inside. It's like some type of rubber shims. Instruction book with a remote hanger. If you can see that, you will see it. 2 AAA batteries. It's a little small one, AAA. Here's the hanger. Some tubes. So we'll put this air handler out of the way. And now we're going to open up the big unit. Use that up. Alright, let's bring you guys down. So there's the outdoor unit. So inspect for damages. So far I don't see any. Don't like the way that's pushing in on the condenser coil there. Alright. And there's the back side of it. Or no, that's the front side of it. The back side's up here. Alright.
If you found this video helpful, or if you're following along with this mini split installation, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone you might find this useful. I've got a lot more coming, including the full installation, the mistakes, the fixes, the final result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Rock on.